Hi, Miss Lisa here. I have a recipe today for you that's a cozy recipe for winter. It's a chicken pot pie.
We've got chopped onions, chopped carrots, chopped celery, rosemary and thyme, and a little turmeric, garlic, half and half, butter, and flour. We've got chicken broth, our cooked chicken, cream of chicken soup, diced potatoes, frozen peas, and then here we have a ready-made pie crust. So let's start with our butter. And to our butter, we're going to add our chopped onions, and our diced carrots, and our chopped celery. Alright, so we're going to just let this cook just for a few minutes. And now we're going to add our garlic. Now how many potatoes you want to add, that's kind of up to you. You might add more or less. And as far as the chicken, you know, one of my favorite things to do is go to the grocery store and buy those rotisserie chickens where it's already cooked. That's really a great tip and great trick. So we'll let that cook for a few minutes, and then we're going to add a little bit of flour. And next we're going to add our chicken broth and our cream of chicken soup. We are going to add our turmeric, our dried thyme, and our dried rosemary. So our next step is to add our half and half. We need now to stir in our frozen peas. Now our filling is all done, and we're going to just put it in our pie pan. Take a ready-made pie crust, which I got from the store, and we're just going to put this on the top, and then you just want to go around the edges. You can let it hang over a little bit. See how? So that's perfectly fine to do that if you want. If you want, you can just take a knife or even your finger and just put a little hole there in the middle. And that just acts like a vent, so when it gets hot and steamy, the steam can be released there from the center. Stick this in the oven and bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes. And you've got yourself a nice chicken pot pie. So here's my chicken pot pie that I made yesterday, and I used the canned biscuits from the grocery store. You can also, besides baking this in the oven, we've also included the instructions in case you want to make this in a crock pot or in your Instant Pot. So I hope you enjoy it.